Understand the chemical process of dissolution for each salt. All three salts listed in the table, silver bromide, AgBr, silver chloride, AgCl, and silver iodide, AgI, are 1:1 ionic compounds that dissociate in water according to the following equilibrium equations. Solution X. AgBr is in equilibrium with Ag to the power plus Br to the power negative solution Y. AgCl is in equilibrium with Ag to the power plus Cl to the power negative solution Z. AgI is in equilibrium with Ag to the power plus I to the power negative. Write the solubility product constant, KSP, expressions for any 1:1 salt, Aga, in a saturated solution with no common ions present. KSP equals Ag to the power plus A to the power negative. Since the salt dissociates in a 1:1 ratio, the concentration of the silver ion is equal to the concentration of the anion, Ag to the power plus equals A to the power negative. Substituting this relationship into the KSP expression yields KSP equals Ag to the power plus to the power 2. Therefore, Ag to the power plus equals square root of KSP. Determine the mathematical relationship between KSP and Ag to the power plus. Because all three salts share the exact same stoichiometry, 1:1. Their silver ion concentrations are directly proportional to the square root of their respective KSP values. This means the smaller the KSP value, the lower the Ag to the power plus in a saturated solution. The larger the KSP value, the higher the Ag to the power plus in a saturated solution. Compare the KSP values from the table. Solution Z, AgI KSP equals 8.3 times 10 to the power minus 17. The smallest KSP value, solution X, AgBr KSP equals 5.0 times 10 to the power minus 13. The intermediate KSP value, solution Y, AgCl KSP equals 1.8 times 10 to the power minus 10. The largest KSP value. Rank the solutions in order of increasing, Ag to the power plus. Comparing the exponents of the KSP values, minus 17 less than minus 13 less than minus 10, allows us to rank the concentration of Ag to the power plus in the saturated solutions from lowest to highest. Z less than X less than Y. This ranking identifies option D as the correct answer. The correct answer is option D, Z less than X less than Y.